Hello mom and dad. This is Nelson. I hope you both and are having a good time there. I am here to show you how is my new apartment. I decided to look for a new place and this is my home. It is a little far from campus, but that is okay for me. It is not too far from my work. The apartment has 2 bedrooms, one bedroom, a living room and a kitchen. It also has a small room utility. The owner put a new carpet and painted the walls. It looks like a new place. The rent is $1,000 a month, not including utilities. I pay $200 for gas, electricity, water, and internet. In the morning, I get up at 5:30 a.m. I prepare my coffee and I make my bed. Later, I iron my clothes and have a shower. After that, I get dressed and eat my breakfast. Finally, I go to the office. In the morning, I go out to the lunch with my coworkers and come back to the office and finish my shift. I go home in the evening and have my dinner at 7 and I start studying until then at 7 and I start studying until then at night I go to bed. Oklahoma City is the capital and third largest city of the state of Oklahoma in the United States of America. The name of the city is usually abbreviated as OKC. It is located on the banks of the Canadian North River. The city has local buildings and how you study where I like to watch basketball matches and visit all the great parts the city has to visit.